Abang ni kerana nak baca jayung kau. Okey bayu, ni. Yang kita kasih ni yang apa nak kasih kita ni. Mana yang kemudian
But the letters are ready. They just go through the.
You should have just tell us. You should have just tell us. See, this is a problem. We'll give you a reply. But you are stopped. You didn't even communicate anything.
The
You came on
process
that.
is in file. You realize
You could have seen Mr. Mehta. If you want to, you can do a lot of things. If you want. But since
we have complied, we will give you the.
we don't know no, whether you have complied or not. Till today, when we come to your office, you told us that it is complied. We didn't even see the
If
letter.
I had any communication, because we thought we are complying, we will give the letters to you. We were
Yeah, but
totally
then
in
the 7
compliance.
days has already ended.
But out of
So
them,
we
there were
have-
3 holidays. You said, right?
I counted the working days, I said. 24th,
But
25th,
at least cut
26th.
me some slack. It's not that we are not willing to go ahead.
Okay, give me the letter. Show me.
Hang on. They are
Show me the
preparing
letter.
the letter. In fact, right now they are also not here. Office staff is outside.
Who? You need the person who you need
Yeah,
to
yeah,
take them
the
inside.
general admin.
Take them inside. 2-3
Do
persons.
you want
are
me
there.
to show you the?